Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey here, and I hope that you're having a great day already. So we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial and just get through our morning routine and talk about progress. So I'm excited to share some results with you guys, and let's get in. I've already gone in, of course, and started with a clean moisturized palette. I'm using my Knox Anew regimen with the eye serum, the face serum, and the day cream. And I am seeing a tremendous difference in the glow in my face. Can you see it? It's crazy. And then the VDL Luma Layer Primer to add a little bit of extra glow because I just feel like glowing today. So let's go ahead and hop in. We're going to do our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in Matcha. And cover these under eyes. There we go. So for you guys that have been following my journey, I have been working with a health coach for the last 6 weeks, and last night was like our final weigh-in, which was pretty impressive. It's not to me about weight loss as much as it is about, eating healthy and making good food choices. So I'm down 12 pounds in 6 weeks, which is a win. I think it's a victory for me. But the even more impressive part is I am down 2 inches in my breast area, 3 inches in my waist area, and 4 inches in my hip area. Is that not insane? I was like, how do you not lose so much weight and still lose so many inches? And so we talked about, how eating healthy will help actually turn that fat into some muscle, and muscle is more lean. And so it's how you lose inches. So I thought I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my nose. I've been blowing it, allergies, Texas allergies. So we're going to help it out a little bit. Okay. Cashmere Complexion found liquid foundation in Buttercream this morning. So, I think if this health journey, and it's by no means over, I'm still going to keep it up, but I think if this health journey has taught me anything, it is that progress is slow and easy. And so I think when I first started, I was looking for like a quick answer to eating healthy and to and to taking better care of my body and my skin. And I was expecting 50 pound, huge results, and it didn't happen. And so somewhere along the way, I had to really plug into the fact that it's not about how fast it happens. It's about making the good choices that it takes to make it happen. And so, less 5 inches in my waist, total, I think I'm down 7.5 inches. That's progress, right? So instead of mourning that it didn't happen as fast as I wanted it, I've decided to celebrate that it happened at all. So that's my health journey there. Tattoo Station and browns. And, I think for me, I'm raised in the South and never practiced good eating habits. I like all the Southern fried things. That's just me. And the sad part about that is my metabolism apparently doesn't burn fast enough to enjoy all of the Southern fried things. So I have to just be more conscious about my food choices, and you still can reward yourself, every once in a while with something kind of off the menu. I don't know what I'm doing with my brows this morning. Reward yourself every once in a while with something off of the menu, but really that slow, consistent, making good food choices and slowing down and prepping your meals was something that I've had to learn in all this. Is not just to fly by the seat of my pants and just pick up something and go. So easy to just go through the McDonald's drive-thru, right? That's why America is obese. is because it's so much easier to go through McDonald's or Sonic and pick up supper than it is to go home and, you know, and prepare a meal for your family. It's just a lot of work. So if I've learned anything in all of this, it is I have to be more intentional about the things that I put in my body. And the number one thing for me has been water. Putting enough water in my body. I could drink 1 bottle of water and be done for the whole day. Naked Truth. We're going to do this eye palette this morning. And that be all the water that I have all day long. I'm just not a big water drinker. I don't really drink sodas either. I just didn't drink anything at all, which is almost worse for your body, because if you're not hydrating your organs, then they can't flush out the bad things that you put in. So it's kind of like a double standard. Okay, yay, we put olive 1 on. I'm going to go in with 2 now and work that crease. So if you will start your day with a cup of water before you even get started, that goes ahead and gets your organs like primed and ready to go, ready to flush out anything you throw at it. So that was a hard one for me to just get up, get that first glass of water in. But it's all about dedication, right? I mean, I think anything in life, we have to. Okay, I went in with 3 and kind of blended. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to pull 4. It's a little darker brown here. And I'm just going to bring that out and back in. Out and back in. It kind of gives you that little winged look. Yeah, yeah. There we go. But you know, just slow down. Be dedicated to the process. We're going in with SuperExtend liquid liner. I put on this long sleeve shirt today because I thought that was going to be the plan, and now I'm hot. How does that work? Oh, hormones. Aren't they a good friend? It's crazy. Okay. I got those eyes lined. Let's go in now with some Love Mascara. Good morning. How are you? Say hello if you're on with me. I can see a couple people on, but I'm not seeing any comments. Okay. I can tell you that Love Mascara, that since I've been trying to eat better, I can definitely feel my hormones maybe are settling down. I think too, some of the foods that I eat affect my hormones, and especially my thyroid is not ideal. And so when I tend to eat a high fatty diet, I just feel sluggish and down. I don't know what the science is behind all of it. I can just tell how I feel when I'm eating clean, and then I stop and pick up like a cheeseburger or something. I can tell that it just slugs. It just makes me sluggish. I just feel ugh, yucky. So I'm trying to do a lot more crock pot meals, making good choices on things like, you know, more protein in my dinners and my lunches. I don't know about you guys, but for some reason protein is one of the hardest things for me to get in. I can eat veggies, but for some reason protein is a hard one. We're going to use the Love Queen Carnation Cushion Blush. I love this blush. It's such a pretty color. And it kind of goes on like a watercolor. And it just paints like a paint by number. Okay, it's a little dark. It's a little dark. I'll give you that. We'll just taper it down with our beauty blender. There we go. Yay! Okay. Let's do our flat two-toned beige effect. I love this lipstick. It is such a pretty color. Pretty, pretty. So my best advice for you today from my health journey that I've been going on is prepare your meals ahead of time. Don't swing through McDonald's or Dairy Queen or Taco Bell and satisfy yourself with a quick and easy meal. It's going to be much more healthy for you and a lot better for your body if you will slow down and do some home-cooked meals. Eat more protein and 100 ounces of water. And that's what's helped me so far with the 7.5 inches that I'm down. So I'm going to stay on this journey and I'm going to keep trying to make good food choices. And also my skin. I can see it in my skin. It's not as broken out. So that's a plus. So I hope these tips are helpful for you. Please share this video. Somebody else may need these helpful tips this morning. If you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And if you need help color matching, let me know and I will definitely hook you up. So thanks for getting ready with me this morning and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.